Hey YouTube creators, are you ready to dive into the hottest trends on YouTube right now? Whether you're looking to entertain, educate, or inspire, these trending topics are where it's at. Let's jump right in. First up, entertainment. People are always looking for a good laugh or some jaw-dropping moments. Think reaction videos, challenges, and pranks. Collaboration with other creators can also give you a massive boost. Next, food content is sizzling hot. From cooking tutorials and mukbangs to food challenges, viewers can't get enough. Don't forget about those aesthetic food shots. They can make your content mouth-watering and shareable. Now let's talk gaming. Gaming channels are booming with Let's Plays, walkthroughs, and live streams. Whether you're diving into the newest releases or sticking with classics, there's a huge audience for gaming content. Plus, esports events and gaming news are always trending. Beauty and fashion are next on the list. Tutorials, hauls, and lookbooks are viewer favorites. You can also share tips on skincare routines and makeup hacks. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. It's a win-win. How about sports? Whether it's highlights, athlete interviews, or workout routines, sports content is always in demand. Don't forget about sports analysis and commentary. Fans love in-depth insights. Science and technology are up next. Tech reviews, unboxings, and how-to guides attract a tech-savvy audience. Keep an eye on the latest gadgets and breakthroughs for fresh content ideas. Travel content is another big hit. From budget travel tips to luxury getaways, viewers love exploring new destinations through your eyes. Share your experiences and don't forget those stunning drone shots. Speaking of luxury, high-end jewelry is a niche but captivating topic. Unboxings, collection showcases, and behind-the-scenes looks at craftsmanship can mesmerize your audience. So there you have it. The top YouTube trends in entertainment, food, gaming, beauty and fashion, sports, science and technology, travel, and luxury jewelry. Pick your niche, get creative, and start making content that resonates with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Keep experimenting, stay authentic, and most importantly, have fun. Until next time, happy creating.